Okay, a problem that I ran into with this cylinder is the old one. Oh, it comes out of the picture. As you can see on the right side, it's a little bit raised, and the rest of the part is much lower. On the new part, as you can see, it's all flat. So if you try to put the old cylinder back in there, it will not go in. The solution I did was that the lock was too thick. Let's see if it focuses. It was too thick, and I wouldn't let it sit all the way in. So you could tell I grinded it enough to where it still holds, but it will go into the cylinder now. I hope this helps anybody that's having this problem.